Hi, I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney. This past week, it's been a big week for trademarks at the Supreme Court. There was a decision in a case that Jack Daniels brought, claiming that a dog toy infringed upon its trademark. That was decided. And the Supreme Court also decided that it was going to hear a case in the next term about a trademark called Trump Too Small. You may remember back in 2016, hopefully you don't, that there was an infantile exchange between Marco Rubio and Donald Trump during the debate about the size of Donald Trump's hands and whether they were small or big and what implications that had for various other things, most of which I don't think relate to anything anybody really cares about. How does that relate to trademarks? Well, in 2018, a gentleman in California filed a trademark application for Trump Too Small for T-shirts and other shirts. The trademark office rejected his trademark, citing a provision of the Lanham Act, which governs federal trademarks, that prohibits the registration of a trademark that uses the name or certain other attributes of another living person without that individual's permission. And obviously, in this case, Donald Trump did not give permission for this trademark application. The Federal Circuit, which is the appeals court that governs the trademark office, reversed the decision and said that that trademark should be allowed to proceed because the First Amendment would bar the trademark office from rejecting this trademark. Supreme Court decided to hear the case, which probably means that at least some of the justices think that the provision of the Lanham Act should be upheld. I think one of the keys in this case will be that one of the provisions of trademark law, it's a central tenet of trademark law, is it's supposed to identify the source of the goods or services, in this case, the T-shirts, and it can cause confusion when you use somebody else's name to act as a source indicator for your own goods and services. For example, I could not sell cars under the brand name of my friend Tommy DeMisa because he's not going to give me permission to sell my lousy cars using his name. But anyway, that's a little bit of a tangent. The Supreme Court's going to look into this next year. It should be an interesting decision. I'm Mike Steger. I'm a trademark and copyright attorney. If you have any questions about your trademarks, give me a call.